Hi guys, welcome to Xperia Tips. I'm Dom. I'm here at the amazing Mercedes-Benz world in Surrey, and I'm going to show you a brand new camera feature on the Xperia XZ3 called Smart Launch. Don't you just hate it when you miss that perfect shot? I mean, something awesome is happening right in front of you and you've got to waste time trying to get the phone out of your pocket, unlock the screen, launch the camera app, and by the time you've lined it up and taken the shot, the moment's passed you by. Well, some of you may remember Sony's quick launch feature from previous handsets, allowing you to point and shoot using the camera button to get your picture in less than a second. Well now, thanks to Sony's artificial intelligence, they've shaved off even more of that crucial gap between pocket and picture with the all-new Smart Launch feature. With Smart Launch, the moment you grab your phone out of your pocket and are in position to take a photo, Smart Launch has already kicked in and activated the camera for you and is giving you a preview of what you're about to capture. All you've got to do is tap the screen and you've taken the picture on the fantastic 19 megapixel Motion Eye camera, which still has all the great features of the Xperia XZ2, like predictive capture, which makes sure that you can capture great action shots that you may have missed otherwise because this camera can work faster than any of us. And of course, Sony are still the only manufacturer that give you the ability to film in 4K HDR and in 960 frames per second super slow-mo in full 1080p HD. Don't forget to like, follow and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for some more Xperia tips.